Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Life 360 by GODSON. In this video I am going to show you my online platform earnings from 3 different websites. First one is Microworker, second one is Clickworker, and the last is Crowdflower. Guys, register with these websites and start your earning. You can make huge money from home. Microworkers has a lot of different tasks available, some of the most popular being writing reviews, searching keywords, engaging on various sites, liking and commenting, etc. You'll usually find a lot of work posted at Microworkers. They will pay via PayPal. But the people behind the site are in a different country, so you will have to wait for them to mail you a PIN number. This can take 3 weeks or so. Then, once you receive that in the mail and enter it, you should start getting payments regularly. Clickworker. This short task site is pretty popular in the work-from-home circles, and they are open worldwide. Tasks available include everything from simple research to tagging. Their UHRS tasks are extremely popular amongst their workers. Payments are made either via PayPal or bank transfer. PayPal payments are weekly and bank transfers happen once per month. Your actual rate of pay will depend on how fast you can go and whether or not you can find tasks available to do. You can see my payment proof for reference. Crowdflower, open worldwide, used to post most of their tasks on Mdirk, but nowadays you will find them on various reward sites like Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, etc. These are Crowdflower's channel partners, and for the most part, work and pay are done through some of these platforms. Keep in mind that all of these sites pay out differently and work differently. This may not be the most lucrative way to get paid for short tasks since these sites are not known for paying much. But it's one option available to you if you are interested in doing short task work apart from Mdirk. This company has all kinds of tasks, surveys, categorization, search engine evaluation, and so on. The pay per task varies widely and changes frequently. Friends, you can register with these 3 websites and start your earning now. All the content published on this channel is our own creative work and is protected under copyright law, and in case you need to use our content for any purpose, please write to us. GODSON Sams at 2danota.com.